Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Idol English Version School, Deshi. Today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student. My subject is elementary science, and our today's topic is chapter 12, the climate change. Dear students, please take your science book and open page number 81 and follow my class with your textbook. And which line is important, you have to mark that line with me. You have to follow me with your textbook. Dear students, let's start the class. The climate is the average weather pattern for a long period of time. Therefore, the actual weather condition varies within the normal range to extreme condition for a particular region. These changes of weather is measured as temperature, rainfall and frequency of events such as cyclone, nor'easter and so on. The variability is a natural phenomenon. On the other hand, a significant and persistent change in the climate and its variability is called climate change. Dear students, please underline this line. The climate of an area does not change suddenly. However, we feel that climate is changing now. Our next point is global warming. Using temperature measurement all over the world, we can compute the average global temperature. According to the graph, average global temperature fluctuates every year. See, this is the graph of average global temperature. Look, if you follow the graph, see this line shows the fluctuation of temperature, and see this line is going up and up, and in the 1860 the average temperature of the world was below 13.6 degree centigrade, and if you observe, follow this chart, in the 2000 the average temperature of the earth near about 14.4 degrees Celsius. That means the temperature of the earth is increasing, average temperature of the earth is increasing and it is fluctuating. Look, if you look the chart, you can see this line is fluctuating. However, scientists have found that the average global temperature is increasing gradually. This gradual increase of Earth's temperature is called global warming. Students, underline this line. The gradual increase of the Earth temperature is called global warming. This is the definition of global warming. Global warming can lead to other changes in climate conditions such as changes in rainfall pattern. The climate of our earth is changing gradually due to this global warming. The annual mean or average temperature in Dhaka is gradually increasing as shown in the graph. Dear students, see the graph. This is graph of change in annual mean temperature. Mean means average. The average temperature of Dhaka is fluctuating everywhere and it is increasing. Look, it is this red line, it is increasing, and in the 1995 it was in the middle of 26 to 26.5 degrees Celsius, but 2011 it became 26.5 degrees Celsius. That means the average temperature of Dhaka is increasing also. Due to the increase of the temperature, a lot of changes occurs in the natural environment. Go to our next point, that is greenhouse effect. It is observed that the ice cubes covered by a beaker melted faster than in the open air. If you take two ice cube, if you put one open in the open air and another if you cover with a glass or beaker, you can observe that the open ice cube will be melt quickly, because the heat of the sun can enter inside the beaker, but heat could not come out and resulted it warm up the inside the beaker faster. It is the principle of the greenhouse. A greenhouse is made of glass. Underline this line. It traps sun's heat. Underline this line also. It helps to keep plants warm and alive in extreme cold weather. Underline this line also. Now come to our next point, greenhouse effect and greenhouse gases. Earth's atmosphere does the same thing as the greenhouse. As an atmosphere is the layer of the air that surrounds Earth's surface. Dear students, underline this line. Gases in the atmosphere, water vapor and carbon dioxide what is the glass roof does the same thing. What is the glass roof do of a greenhouse? During that means water vapor and sunlight is the greenhouse gases. During the daytime, the sun shines through the atmosphere. The Earth's surface warm up with the sunlight. At night, Earth's surface cools by releasing the heat back into the air. Dear students, look the picture. The sun shines, the sunlight and sun's heat is come to our earth, and some of the sun heat is reflected by the earth, and some heat is trapped by the carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. But some of the heat is trapped by the gases in the atmosphere and further warming the earth. This effect is called greenhouse effect. That means you have to underline from here. The sun shines through atmosphere. Up to this, and these gases are called greenhouse gases. We get two names of the gases, water vapor and carbon dioxide, and there are more gases like methane also a greenhouse gas. Now come to next point, human activities and global warming. Fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas, etc. is burned in energy plants, factories and vehicles. A lot of carbon dioxide emits into the air due to the burn of this fossil fuel. At the same time, due to the deforestation, the absorption of carbon dioxide by the tree is decreasing. Underline this. Due to deforestation, the absorption of carbon dioxide by the tree is decreasing. As a result, the carbon dioxide in the air is increasing. The increased carbon dioxide traps much heat. In the consequence, the Earth's temperature is increasing day by day. Average increase of Earth temperature is called global warming. Underline this line, students. The average increase of Earth temperature is called global warming. Now we will go to the next point, observation facts of the global warming. In addition to the temperature observation, we can confirm the global warming by the glacial retreats over the Himalayan mountains range and polar region Besides, we observe the sea level rise due to the melting of ice and thermal expansion of seawater. Look, the student, there is two pictures of same place. This is the picture of 1921 and this is the picture of 2009. And see, these all are ice, but there the ice is melting in the water, into the water. That means with this water the sea level will be rise and the lower land will be go under the water, and this is the effects of greenhouse or global warming. Now students, we will solve some fill in the blanks from this part of the chapter. Our first fill in the blanks is the climate of an area do not blanks suddenly, that will be change. The average increase of Earth's temperature is known as dash, that will be global warming. Global warming is caused due to increase of dash in air, that will be carbon dioxide. Our next fill in the blanks is the heat captured inside the glass house is known as dash effect, that will be greenhouse. The ozone layer prevents from entering dash large cancer causing factor on the earth, that will be UV. Carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor are known as dash gases, that will be greenhouse gases. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me in the board. I have written my mobile number and my messenger ID also. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.